VaniMani Kids!
What's that sound? I need to stop it. Are you okay, Alex? Steffi, can you imagine? I thought a giant robot was attacking you. It's just me and my new Batman toy. Monsters are not real, Alex. Now come join me. Bad bike. What? What's that? Ah, scared me! I must stop it. Are you okay, Alex? Lasha, I thought monsters were attacking you. You're so funny. Come play with me, Alex. Did you hear that? What is this? No, I need to be brave. Huh? Only toys. Where did the dinos go? Alex, are you okay? Come here, let's play together. Steffi, I saw scary monsters that are attacking here. Where are they? Haha, Alex, I told you, monsters don't exist. What's that sound?
Go away! Go away, God!
No monsters.
Oh, hey, Alex. Could you please help me clean up?
Yes, Ivan, I can. But where is the ghost?
Alex, ghosts don't exist, but dust does. Let's tidy up.
Uh-huh.
Done!
Ivan, can we play together now?
Yeah, sure. You did a great job. Let's play. Go. Nice job!
What's that sound? What is this? happening?
Hey Alex, come join our tea party.
Ah, okay. What's that sound? Uh-oh. This is so scary. I need to face my fears.
Come and join me, Alex.
Huh? Okay. Dad, I think it was a monster.
Oh, there is no such thing as monsters. It's just your imagination.
It's my imagination. Monsters are not real.
What would you like to watch?
Maybe something about animals.
Whoa!
Dad and Alex are watching TV. Let's have some fun.
Alex, do you hear the sound? Hear that?
No, Dad, it's just your imagination. Did I scare you? It's just me, Dasha. Look at this mess. Sorry, guys. I'll help you to clean up. Monsters are not real. Be brave and stay strong and face your fears.
Hey Steffi, look at the toy box.
Let's check it out, Yeva.
Whoa, what's this?
Hello. So cute!
Where are we?
Idea! Let's make a dollhouse!
Yeah!
This will be the perfect house for my new pink Labubu!
No, this will be the perfect house for my blue Labubu. No, it's mine. No, it'll be better
my
for
house.
my Labubu. Wow, we have two houses.
Yeva, I'm so sorry. I didn't know what came over me. Kids, it's very important to share with your friends.
Yeah, I'm sorry too, Steffi. We have to respect each other.
Yeva, I need a hug.
Friends again! Time to paint my house blue. Blue is my favorite color. Labubu, run!
Time to paint my house pink. Just look at that. I love the color pink. We need to spread everything evenly so it looks nice. Amazing!
Perfect.
Let's use this fluffy material to make a fluffy roof. Let's put this logo on my pink house. Right here. How do you like it?
Now it's my turn to use the fluffy material for my roof. Yay, and a blue logo. Just look at your blue house. Do you like it?
Time to make our yard cozier and add this pink fence. Just like this. Let's place this pink garage here.
This is my garage. Now let's put the roof. And what's a garage without a car? Come here. Such a cool car. Let's make a DIY trampoline for my blue Labubu. First, we need to make a perfect circle. Now we need to push out the middle part. Now let's do the fabric. Now we have to cover this up with tape. Now let's stick it together. The last one. Just look at my DIY trampoline. I love art and crafts. What about you guys?
I know, we'll make a DIY swing using the pink straws. Let's add some glue here. It's time to decorate the living room on the first floor. Let's craft a fluffy sofa for my Labubu. Time to assemble the sofa. And here we'll put a pink rug. Just look how it turns out. Coffee table next to the sofa. And a piano for music lessons. I love the sound of piano. A stand and a TV. And a lamp. With some posters, a clock, and a disco ball in the room. Just look how beautiful my living room is. I love it.
How? I'll put a rug too. And a treat for my little Labubu. Kids, but only a tiny bit. Too much could be bad for your wonderful teeth.
What should I do on the second floor, guys? Of course, we need to build a kitchen. My pink Labubu is hungry. Enjoy your meal, Labubu.
Look at my kitchen. Are you hungry? Aww, my Labubu likes to eat. So cute. Hey, Labubu, mind your own manners. Follow the etiquette, it's very important. I think we turned out pretty well. And let's add some blankets and pillows. Steffi, do you like my DIY bed that I made?
Not bad, but I have my own bed. This is a good spot.
This is what I plan to put in my entertainment room.
Great idea. And this is for lighting and magical atmosphere in my bedroom. A cute outfit for my pink Labubu.
Time to pick one of the cute outfits for my blue Labubu.
Now it's time to add a pink lounger to the yard so my Labubu can rest and relax.
My Labubu prefers active games like basketball. Come join! Bring your pink Labubu. We're having so much fun.
Oh, yeah, but that sounds so awesome.
Playing together and working as a team makes everything better.
You're right, Yeva. Sharing and helping each other is the best. From now on, let's play and create together.
Great idea. I agree.
Dasha, what did I tell you?
Oopsie. Huh? Who is there? Huh? I need to open the door.
Dasha, you cannot open the door to the strangers.
Huh? Who is there?
Hi, trick or treat.
Trick!
Time for a trick. Go for it. Think. Enough. Come here. Don't be scared. This is my friend Thing.
Daddy, can Wednesday stay? I want to play with her friends.
No, Dasha, because your friend is so scary.
But I really want to play. Please.
No.
La, 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 la. My skeleton dog. Wow.
Dasha, no, 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 no! You can't open the door to the strangers.
Dad, who's there? Trick or treat. Trick. Ready for a trick? Yes, I am. Don't be scared. This is my friend. Daddy, can Beetlejuice stay? I want to play with his sandworm.
No, Dasha, because his sandworm is so dangerous.
No, he's just scared. Just try petting him.
I told you, Dasha, such a dangerous worm.
Dad, but I really want to play. Please.
No. Bye-bye. You forgot something. no, don't open the door to the strangers.
Daddy, can I look through the peephole?
Of course, Dasha.
Daddy, I see someone at the door. Dad, let's open. It's Alphaba. Hi! Trick or treat. Trick! Time for a treat, Dasha. Wow, Alphaba's blue. Abracadabra boom.
Wow, no way!
Check this out. Daddy, please, can Alphaba stay? I really want to play with her.
No. Come on, out!
Let's do some magic. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, it worked. Wow, this could be my Halloween cinema. Wow, this is awesome. A real Halloween feast. But it's no fun without my friends. Come on in. Wow. Guys, let's decorate our Halloween couches.
Okay.
Let's do it.
Dasha, take this doll as a thank you gift from me.
So cute. I have a surprise too. Follow me, guys. Wow, yummy! Wow. Just look at this, guys. Yummy.
Dasha, why did I tell you?
Oopsie. Never open the door to somebody you don't know. I wanna dance.
Yeah!
Oopsie.
Oh, wow, such a nice costume! Alex, turn into a zombie!
I'm not little enough to believe your fairy tales.
You have to believe me, it's real! The tickles! Stop it!
What's wrong with you? Zombie! They're so silly. Oh, I need to run. This is all just a dream, just a dream. Oh no, Dad is here.
Please open the door!
What if they turn him into zombie too? Nobody will touch my dad.
Uh-oh.
Ooh, that's gross. Hey, got you, zombie. Daddy, I'm coming. Alex and Eva has turned into zombies.
Zombies? What are you talking about? What zombies?
Let's go, Dad.
I don't have time to play games.
This is not a game. This is real.
Dasha, can you play without me? Is that his eyes? Ah, zombies!
I told you that. Real zombies. We need to hide.
Okay.
Don't touch me, please! Don't! Run, Dasha, run!
What should I do? My family turned into zombies. What if I just tickle them back? Maybe that will work. I think it's a great idea. So scary. Come on, get yourself together. You can do this, Dasha.
Yeah, I'm back to normal.
Me too. Thank you, Dasha. Dad is still a zombie.
Yeah.
Okay. Over here.
Come here.
Oh. Whoa, I'm human again!
Yes, Dad, you're finally back.
What happened here? I don't remember anything.
What do you mean? I saved the world from zombie invasion.
Why do you have a toilet paper?
It's a long story.
Can I borrow some? Uh-oh. Ghost? Are you here?
Aha.
Oh no, the rainbow ghost locked the doors.
Oh no, what do we do?
We are going on the rainbow ghost hunt, Alex. Alex, look, it's a purple door. We have to find the purple ghost. Alex, you have to check if the ghost under the sofa.
Okay.
Cuckoo.
There's nothing there.
Alex, maybe it's behind the picture.
No, it's not here.
Maybe it is inside the tent.
Eh?
It's not in the tent.
Where it could be?
It's behind the curtain.
Huh? Alex, look! It left the purple key. We can open the purple door now.
Yes.
Okay. Alex, look, it's a red door. We have to find the red ghost.
Okay, I'll check under the table.
Is it there?
No, it's not here.
Maybe it's in the wardrobe. Let's check over there.
Yes.
Huh.
Hello. It's not here.
Where could it be?
There. It's behind the bed.
Alex, look! It left the red key. We can open the red door now. Look, Alex, it's a green door. We have to find a green ghost.
Okay, let's check.
Is it there?
Nothing there.
Alex, maybe it's under the bed.
Huh?
No, it's not there. Maybe it's in the crib.
It's not here either. But where could it be?
It's behind the mirror.
Well, those ghosts were not scary at all. I'm not afraid anymore.
Me too. Let's play. Woo! Do you hear it?
Yes, I do. What could it be? It's a rainbow ghost! Let's run! Alex, look! They want to give us some candies. Sorry, guys, we've got just a little confused, right?
Yes.
Cool.
Woohoo! Yeah.
Maria, can you play with Alex, please? I need to work.
Sure, Grandma. Whoa! Maria, I'm hungry. Wait a minute. I'll get something for you. Thank you, Maria. I just went out for a minute. Where did he go? Where is Alex? Alex! Alex! Aww.
Maria, what happened? Why are you so sad?
My brother is missing.
Don't worry, we'll help you find your brother.
Really?
Indeed. Let's go to the police station.
Thank you, officer. Let's go. Wait a minute. too extreme for me. Wow! This is too old. Nah, that's the perfect one.
Thank you for your information.
Maria lost her brother. How can we find him?
Yes, help me.
First of all, we need to print a missing flyer.
Okay.
Now let's check the place where you've seen Alex for the last time.
Let's go.
Okay.
Let's go.
He should be somewhere here.
Huh?
Not here.
Not here.
Not here.
Who saw Alex? You
No, 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 no! No, 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 no!
or you? Maybe you.
Unfortunately, it's not Alex. Aha! Not here.
Maybe it's Alex.
Not here.
Huh?
Look over there!
It's just a toy.
What a pity. It's not Alex. Maybe this is Alex. Ivan, what are you doing?
Oops, couldn't resist.
We need to find Alex. Let's go.
Aww.
Alex, is that you? I was reading a book.
Alex!
Alex! Turns out Alex was here all along.
If you lost something or someone, come back and check carefully in that place again.